Good morning students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5 multiplication. Page number 137. Dear students, in previous class we learned subtraction. In this class we are going to learn multiplication. Multiplication through repeated addition. So what are these students? These are dolls. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 groups are there. In each group there are 2 dolls are there. So we'll write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 12. Here these 2 we are repeating 6 times. So we are writing here 2 into 6 equal to 12. So what are these students? These are squares. How many groups are there? There are 3 groups are there. In each group there are 2 squares are there. So in addition format we'll write 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. But in multiplication format we'll write these 2 we are repeated 3 times. So we'll write 2 into 3 equal to 6. What are these students? These are circles. How many groups are there? There are 2 groups are there. In each group there are 5 circles are there. So I'll write 5 plus 5 equal to 10. This we are writing in addition format. But in multiplication format we'll write these 5 we are repeating 2 times. So 5 into 2 equal to 10. What are these students? These are also circles. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 groups are there. In each group, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each group, there are 6 circles are there. So we'll write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 24. This we are writing in addition format. In multiplication format we'll write these 6 we are repeating 4 times. So we'll write 6 into 4 equal to 24. So what are these students? These are hexagons. How many groups are there? There are 2 groups are there. In each group there are 4 hexagons are there. So we'll write 4 plus 4 equal to 8. In multiplication format we'll write these 4 we are repeating 2 times. So we'll write 4 into 2 equal to 8. What are these students? These are dolls. How many groups are there? There are 3 groups are there. So in each group there are 3 dolls are there. So we'll write 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9. This is in addition format. In multiplication format we'll write 3 number we are repeating 3 times. So 3 into 3 equal to 9. Students, here these 2 number we are repeating 6 times. So we'll write 2 into equal to 12. See here students, this addition form is converted into multiplication by using sign into. So the number which is multiplied, that we call multiplicand. The number which is multiplies will call multiplier. So finally, whatever answer will get, that we call product. So 2 into 6 equal to 12. Here 2 is a multiplicand, 6 is multiplier, 12 is product. Okay students, now what are these students? These are beads. How many groups are there? There are 3 groups are there. In each group, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we'll write 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15. So, in multiplication format, we'll write these 5 we are repeating 3 times. So, we'll write 5 into 3 is equal to 15. What are these students? These are bindis. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In each group, how many bindis are there? 4 bindis. So, we'll write these 4. We are repeating 4 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 16. So in multiplication format we'll write these 4 we are repeating 4 times. So 4 into 4 equal to 16. What are these students? These are grapes. How many groups are there? There are 5 groups are there. In each group, how many grapes are there? In each group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 grapes are there. So we'll write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 30. In multiplication format, we'll write 6 number we are repeating 5 times. So we'll write 6 into 5 equal to 30. Okay students, like this way only we are constructing tables. By multiplication way only we are constructing tables. So now we will learn how to construct 2 tables. So how many balls are there students here? 2 balls are there. So we'll make these 2 in one group. So 2 we are repeating 1 time. So we'll write 2 into 1 equal to 2. So how many balls are there students here? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 balls we are dividing in 2 groups. In each group there are 2 balls. So these 2 we are repeating 2 times. So we'll write 2 into 2 equal to 4. So how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 balls we will divide in 3 groups. In each group there are 2 balls. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Like this, these groups we are making. So these 2 we are repeating 3 times. So we'll write this 2 into 3 equal to 6. So here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also we are making 2 groups. Okay. In each group there are 2 balls are there. So we will write 2 we are repeating here 6 times. So we will write 2 into 6 equal to 12. Here how many balls are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here also we will make 2 groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here these 2 we are repeating 7 times. So 7. Sorry, 2 into 7 equal to 14. So here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here also we will make 2 groups. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 2 we are repeating 8 times. So we will write 2 into 8 equal to 16. Here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here also we will make 2 groups. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 2 we are repeating 9 times. So 2 into 9 equal to 18. How many balls are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here also we will make groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 into 10 equal to 20. Like this we are constructing tables, students. So I will give you homework. These 2 tables you should write 3 times in your homework book. Okay. Thank you, students.